whatever you see in the filter navigator, for example, whatever you search, where the users will be stored as per your understanding in this table. This is front end name. Okay. This is back end name. Every table, if you go, there would be front end name. There would be the back end name. See here. If I open this is the name, back end name. Okay. If you open it, table level I am opening. If I go inside of the table, I see some information. You see it. This is the name of the front end name. This is the back end name. Every table can be consisting its own names, front end name and back end name. As a ServiceNow developer, always you take this. Inside of it, you will see something called, okay, side by side, I will be opening the user form. How can I open the user form? Sys underscore
user.form.
user dot form.
Form.
I'm opening the form. Do you see the first name? Do you see the last name? Do you see the title? Right? Do you see the department? Everything do you see? User ID. And I'm going to the user table. Okay. I am inside the column section. You see how many columns are there inside the user table? 64. 64 columns are there. Correct? Okay. If I come here and search with first name, do you see the first name? Okay. Again, I will search with last name. Do you see the last name? Okay. Whatever you see over the form, okay, where is the form? This is the form. Whatever you see over the form, everything should be there or comes from here. It will be coming from here. Everything it will be coming from here. These many columns are there. Columns means in the form, you will be calling them as the options. And in our ServiceNow terminology, we will be calling these all the fields. First name is one of the field. User ID is one of the field. Title is one of the field. Department is one of the field. Okay. Email is one of the field. Language is one of the field. If you go to user table, you will see 64 options. Means when you say 64 columns or options, do you see all the options here? Do you see all the 64 options here?
No.
No. No, right? Whatever you required, it will be stored somewhere. Okay, it will be stored somewhere, service now and user table and rows, for example. Okay, this is the table. Inside the table, there are rows, columns and rows. Okay, columns and rows. But all the columns you won't be able to see on the form level. Depends on the requirement, you will pull it and you will be showcasing it to the users, whichever are using. But in the back end, the structure will be something like this.